Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be all about the FabFitFun box, the winter box. I just got this in the mail today. So of course I wanted to do a first impressions for it. So if you want to see what's in this box and my opinions on everything, then keep on watching. Alright, I gotta figure out how to open this though, because I don't have any scissors up here. So I'm gonna just use my nail thing. Works pretty well. All right, cool. So they always do these magazines, but I don't really read them unless I look at how much each one of these things are. So they do have the detail page of everything that's in here. So I'll just leave it out so I can tell you what it is and how much it is usually. So first thing is share the love. Redeem this gift card for $10 off your first FabFitFun box. That's a $200 value for only $39.99. So there's the code right there. I'm not going to show it because I don't want you stealing it. But I guess it says pass this gift card to a friend, you'll love it. Okay. We'll see. And then they always, I got this in my last two, I think. But it's the HelloFresh gift card. It says on your first 3 deliveries, which I've already done it. So this gift card doesn't mean anything to me. So maybe I'll give that away as well. Let's just open this up here. Okay, so the first thing I see that's pretty big that's in here looks like maybe a blanket or maybe this, not a scarf, but like a poncho or something. So this is from Mark and Graham. And then I can actually look at what it is. So it is a throw. So it's a blanket. And then I can probably open this up and show you kind of how big it is. And it feels really soft though. For sure, it feels really soft. All right, the next thing I see in here is like a Moroccan Gold Series Intense Hair Care. Okay, so look what this is. So it is seal split ends. There's like a glare. I gotta like lift this up. All right, I can't read it off of the glare, so I have to hold it up here. So it says Moroccan Gold Series Treatment Mask. Seal split ends, strengthens hair, and it's just like it's like a conditioner, but it's like a mask for your hair. So let's just open it up because I kind of want to try something different because I don't cut my hair very often, but now that I've kind of chopped it, I might keep up with it, we'll see. But I just want to smell it. Ooh, as soon as I lifted it up, it was like, made that weird sound. It smells delightful. Intense care for dry and damaged hair. Well, I bleach my hair like all the time, so it's probably good that I have a different conditioner. Because I have one that's in my shower right now, but it made my hair look greasy for like a couple of days, so I will actually be trying to use this. Oh yeah, by the way, I should probably tell you what the prices on all of these things are. So the blanket was $49. The Moroccan mask, it is retail for $49 as well. All right, next thing in here, I just see this pink, purplish, shiny container. So I'm gonna look at that next. Coconut Sugar Sea Whip Body Cream. So it's a lotion. And it's by Anthropology. Let's see. Oh, it's sealed, so you can't smell it. That sucks. I'm gonna peel the seal off. It smells pretty delightful. It smells good. I probably shouldn't do it with such a big thing. Whatever, but I'm gonna test it out. Oh, that smells good. I always like coconut, like vanilla flavored things. That's probably my favorite like scent in lotions or like candles, anything like that. Coconut and vanilla, definitely my favorite too. All right, so this is the Anthropology Coconut Sea Whip Body Cream and Coconut Sugar. And it is retails for $24 usually. All right, next thing I see in here, I just see this big box. Oh, it's a dry shampoo. Oh, I can't wait. So it's Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. And if you know me pretty well, that I only wash my hair maybe once a week. Sometimes I'll go 2 weeks depending on I never work out. Never, I don't know why I'm gonna say that. But it depends on, you know, like the humidity outside, if I like sweat through the day or anything like that. Ooh, I don't know how to say this brand. Orbi? I think it might be Orbi. Orbi, I think that's how you might say it, but I don't know. But let's just test it because my hair is kind of gross. So let's just test it out here. Why would it go? Did the lock it or something? Let's just, okay. Ooh. All right, let's test it out here. Oh, I completely missed my hair because I'm looking at my TV. All right. It feels good. It smells nice. It does smell nice. Does it look cleaner? It does smell nice though. That's nice because I go through dry shampoo like crazy, so I will be putting this to the test. And this usually retails for $44. $44 for a dry shampoo. So it better do miracles. So next thing here, I see an eyeshadow palette from Pure. It's in bubble wrap, so let me just pull this out here. So this is from Pure. It says Be Your Selfie. Oh, that's cute. Eyeshadow palette. It retails for $36. Let me just pull this out and see if I can swatch some things here. Okay, it looks like it has pretty colors. It's like fall. Almost, even though this is not the fall box. It has like some cranberry. It looks like it's gonna be like purples and oranges. So that's what it looks like. That's pretty. Very pretty. I'm sure Michael's not gonna be happy that I have another eyeshadow palette. But let's just swatch some of these. So this is Natural. Oh, that came off pretty nice there. That was pretty nice. I will be using this strong color if this is a nice, ooh, look at that. Look at strong. There, let's test this one out. They seem really creamy. They're really nice. All right, let's do a shimmer now. Okay, let's do Charming. So that's how it came off. Let's see here. That looks pretty nice. That's a nice little shimmer to it. A little chalky, but what shimmer is not chalky? Oh yeah. Those are nice. Those are nice. I will be putting this to the test as well. All right, next thing I see is from Hubba Bubba. I don't understand. I'm not very good at reading either, so I could pronounce this completely wrong. But it looks like Haveva. Aveva? Aveva? I don't know. Alright, so it's a hydration cream mask. So I'm guessing it's like a, like you put a mask off and maybe wash it off. So I don't think it's a peel mask. Here, you know what? I can read the description. Enriched with mineral spring water, sea butter, and vitamin E. This rich, creamy mask softens and smooths the skin while providing intense hydration and comfort. And it retails for $33. I can't tell you what the scent is, but it smells good. Maybe it has a... Nope, it doesn't have a scent. But it smells good. I don't know what it is, but I will also be putting this to the test because I'm testing out new products on my skin. If you cannot tell, I am breaking out. I've tried my best to cover them up, so maybe you can't see them, but I'm breaking out a lot. So hopefully me trying to find like the best skincare for me is gonna really help clear up my skin. All right, let's see here. Bright Eye Brightener Highlighting Stick. All right, now we're talking. And this is from Thrive Cosmetics. Look how they spelled this. See how it says? Thrive Cosmetics. Oh yeah, my bum finger. Let's not talk about it. All right, so this retails for $24, and that's from Thrive Cosmetics, and it's a just a highlighter that's kind of like a crayon. It's kind of looking like this. Let's just test it out here. I'm guessing you like have to blend that in then. That's pretty nice. Let's try it on my face here. I need a mirror. I can't do this off of my screen there. All right, let's test it out here. So I'm guessing you layer it on and then you just take your finger I'm probably doing this wrong, but you can see it a little bit. Let's try again. I'm really loaded on this time. There you go. You can see it now, kind of. It's kind of taking off my other makeup, but you can see it. It's a brightening highlighter. Okay, now I go to the other side, because if I go out tonight, then it's gonna look ridiculous if I don't do this. All right, this brand looks like Block. It's B-L-A-Q. I don't know. I'm not very good at pronunciations or anything like that. So it's an eye mask with some type of acid on it. Oh, they come in like individual things. Okay. Okay, so this is what they look like. Undoing them. So I'm guessing you put them maybe under your eyes. Let's see. How to, there's directions of how to. Number 1, cleanse your skin and eye area. Next, we find it best to remove the film, just saying, before gently applying the mask about 1 centimeter below each eye. So this is how it would go on, like this. Like that. Is your under eye puffy or swollen? Detox and depuff with this activating charcoal eye mask for a refreshing look. And these retail for $29, and I think I saw 4 of them in here. 1, 2, there's 5. There's 5 different sets in here. And I don't know if you can reuse them or not. I don't know. Probably not. I don't think so. But I'll be putting these to the test as well, because my journey of trying to find the best skincare, I'll be testing these out too. All right, I think this is the last thing. Yeah, I think this is the last thing. So I don't know what these are. Looks like an exercise thing. Oh, yep, totally an exercise thing. So we'll see if I even put this to the test. Follow fitness expert Brooke Berkey on FabFitFun TV as she guides you through challenging workouts with the sliders, and these retail for $18. So I might give them to my sister actually, because she works out a lot. But okay, so it looks like Get Fit. I'm guessing these are like plates. Maybe I'll put food on them. Just kidding. So then you put these on the ground and then you use them as like workout stuff. All right, so that is everything in my FabFit box for the winter. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.